Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This Yaskawa servo motor controller was sent to us by a semiconductor manufacturing plant. The Servopack series of drives are used to run several different semicon tools and are used all throughout the industry. Drives like these usually die from overuse and tend to need a full rebuild. Our video shows the power-up test after we rebuilt this specific unit, and now it's ready to be sent back to the customer. ERD has repaired thousands of Yaskawa servo drives and is dedicated to offering the best repairs in the industry. So call today for your quote.